What is up, YouTubers? Today, well, I gotta fix this later on. My one screw, I guess it's kind of loose. This motherfucker's wore out. I need to buy a new one, but got an idea what I'm gonna do later. But I'm gonna get running again. But yeah, touch the muffler because it's cold. Oh, how you? There we go. Yeah, you can see it's cold because I'm touching it. It is about 44 degrees out. I mean, she is very cold. Now, some of you probably like coming to my channel and they're like, okay, cool, that's a nice engine. Yeah, it's a 10 horse. Came out my gorgeous 100 out over there. I got the fenders off eBay for 190 bucks. Very good deal. Bought this at a tractor swap meet, or like a tractor, basically, yeah, like a tractor swap meet. Got that. That's where I got that from. No motor yet. I'm getting the 102 motor rebuilt. Got it honed out and everything, and thought it was a 14 horse to what the guy at the machine shop said. And then later on he called me back because he's working on different projects, and called me back and he says, I'm sorry, I got yours mixed up with someone else's. Yours is a 10 horse, but he said he bored it over 30 over. I'm like, okay, cool. So we took it to one of my buddies, and he measured it just to make sure. And it's actually a standard bore size for a 10 horse. Or it's a 12 horse, I mean, sorry. It's the standard type, which is a 3.378, I think it was. But I never did a cold start on my 102. It's the same motor on my 100 though. It's gonna start up no problem. It never does. It gives me a problem. All I gotta do is put the choke a little bit. Yeah, it's been a while. Okay, choke away. Yeah, look at that. And then we gotta fix my exhaust, so I'm gonna cut the video here and see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Later.